What's up, guys? It's Pell from the Wild Hooligans. I got Solomon, and then we got Madison in the back. We're actually headed to this place that used to be a strip club, a real running strip club called DB Cooper's Mansion. You guys can look that up. It got shut down for trafficking and shit like that, probably. It said some kind of sexual shit was going on. They didn't have permits for, or I don't think there's permits for sex trafficking, but yeah, so we're headed there right now. Alright, y'all, so here we are. This was the front entrance of the strip club right here. Kind of one of those security things. You talk to someone, they let you through type shit. And there's a huge dip coming up right here we gotta slow down on. But coming up right around this corner will be the strip club itself. Alright, so here it is, guys. This was the DB Cooper's Mansion strip club. Rolling up here, we got a little valet parking section, it looked like. So, are you parking valet? Yeah. Alright, cool. I was making sure you had the pass for it. You gotta have a good pass to come in here to park valet and shit. No, I'm just fucking with y'all. Look at this shit. Watch these paintings. It looks so badass, y'all. It's actually a really cool place to come to, it looks like. Alright. You fellas ready to go in?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's do this.
Alright. Alright, guys, so we're right outside the entrance right now. About to head in. From the outside, you kind of get that little chill vibe you get from any place you go to you haven't been before. Like this. I don't know if you guys have been to a place like this, but let's go in.
So I'm guessing this is like the front entrance, you know?
So, the front entrance. Oh, God, he turned my light on, yo. If it wants to come on. There we go. Alright, y'all, so here is the DB Cooper's Mansion. This is the inside, I'm guessing. We have, let's go this way, actually. Let's take this way. We can go around it first. This looks like an elevator. How small does the fucking be to take this elevator?
No, maybe it's like a service. No,
this storage room.
Yeah, like under the stairs.
But why is... Oh, yeah, that's a storage. That is a storage.
See, because the stairs are right there.
That's pretty fucking wild.
Hey, pal. Someone's been doing some whippets.
Hey, perfection first. Alright,
This is the elevator.
Look at pictures of this place before it was all taken down or abandoned. We saw some pictures online. There was apparently...
How the fuck can you tell?
Oh yeah, this is the elevator.
Look.
Look down. That's the Vader. No, it's not. That was the springboard for it. This is the elevator itself right here. Oh wow. That's really neat.
Babe, I keep hearing like things move back there.
You keep hearing things back here? What the?
Mine!
That's that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, come look at this shit.
Please get behind me.
Look at that on the floor.
Some sick shit's been going on.
We got some fucked up shit. Alright, let's see what that noise was. Hella footsteps coming from this way.
You're fucking lying.
On my life. On my fucking life.
You're fucking lying, Steven.
No. On you.
Hell, what's that line? Oh, that's yours.
No, like on you. I heard this. Sliding through. Like,
What's the hell like over here? Where?
Bitch.
Yeah, felt like it. Sorry guys, this place gives you the fucking heebie-jeebies. You heard it from that way now.
It's that damn thing.
Alright, well everyone be still for a second.
It's that.
Oh wow. That's what that is.
Ting 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 ting.
Nice fucking floor.
Ting 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 ting.
We haven't
Whoa.
We haven't been.
It's
Whoa,
a guitar.
someone smashed a fucking guitar.
What if there was a guy?
Alright, so let's be very cautious of those things. In case of bat.
God damn it. Well, look at that behind you.
Yeah.
So,
What does that mean?
we're walking around the house and see if we find a staircase.
Let's find the basement.
Alright. There has to.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is this? Was this a dressing room, restroom?
Maybe
this
where the
had to be
strippers
dressing.
got ready.
This had to be
dressing room.
Because look at all the white things. That's for all their.
Yeah. Bunch of fucking whores.
Okay.
Yeah.
This camera goes in and out of focus so fucking much with the
Where the fuck
flashlight.
are we?
We're in that pile in the
That corner.
yeah in that back corner where I told Jose to throw the fucking shit level.
And then for videos. Hell, they were here.
Someone pull this door open. I gotta move the piece of metal off the way. Put your hand there so you can pull it through. There you go.
Get that bitch
It's not
open.
locked.
Maybe we gotta kick it open? No, it opens this way. What does it look like in there?
Oh, this is the back fucking door of the place.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Hey, give me a boost up there. I'm gonna see if there's anything up there. That's, hold this phone, please.
I don't think that's inside.
It's a bunch of shit. It's on the inside. Alright, so let me sit on your hands. I wanna see if there's anything up there.
Whoa, what the fuck? What are y'all doing?
I found dressing rooms.
Found the dressing room?
That's just straight dressing rooms.
How do you know?
Or restrooms.
Open this!
It was like 2 fucking stalls. Madison, that's the back of the strip club with trash. Yeah, but there's a fucking basement around this bitch I want to go to.
Oh, me too. There has to be one. Like, y'all saw that fucking video. They were in the damn basement. Why don't we check? Never mind.
What if it's already all that shit? It's not. We just went around the perimeter. Oh shit over there. We have to check. That way, right?
Fuck.
That was me.
No, I'm just looking around. So at the meantime, we're looking for the basement that was on. We had looked up the place before we came. And there was a video, and like the thumbnail was like a downward staircase basement type shit. I don't know if that's here or if it was just a thumbnail. That's what we're trying to figure out now. Because there's a basement. I definitely want to go in there.
I feel
There isn't a basement.
there isn't.
It's around here. All these walls around the whole place used to be like this, but it was hallways throughout the whole place. It's before all the walls were taken down.
So what are you saying?
There's no basement. It wasn't safe. Alright, yeah, we go.
Y'all want to go up these?
I'm taking the staircase.
Babe, fuck. What the hell?
I'm gonna walk up the staircase.
Babe, you should see from up there. They're like barely hanging on.
I know.
I kind of want to go up there and show the view from like up there, because you should see how
We should go up
it's.
the cement stairs, man. Unless you want to get a shot, Solomon.
Oh my
It should be
god.
fine. Stick to the left side.
When you get up there, go to the right side, so that if it falls, you're not
Stick to the left side. If he goes to the right side, he's just gonna fucking fall and die.
I would.
You want me to go first, bro?
Oh my god, there's so many noises and shit I don't fucking like.
That wasn't metal.
What was the matter?
You're good. Go ahead.
Oh my god, it's so scary.
There's hella shit over there.
I know, it's. I really don't fucking like it
Let
at
me go
all.
up there and look.
It's. I'm gonna go up there for the video, but
Like right here is fine.
it's so bad up there that like it's.
Give me a second.
Yes.
Yeah, y'all are
Look, it barely fucking holds
good. Y'all
on.
are good.
Holy shit.
They don't shake or nothing.
There's still got a foundation underneath them.
Okay. Holy fuck, I don't like this at all. Holy fuck, I don't like this at all.
Just step up here. I'm right there.
Give me your hand.
Just step up here. Shit, go. Alright, y'all, so this is upstairs. You can, here's the elevator. Down the elevator, actually. Wow. Do we have the fireworks?
Oh.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
I kind of want to throw it down there.
You want to? I'll do it right now. Record this. Start right down in the middle.
All right, Madison.
Alright, y'all, if y'all want to see something really fucking cool, check this out. I got a lighter on me if you need. Just toss it right dead center. Y'all watch this shit. Right in the middle, go.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck.
It's right
Watch
below.
out. I can't hear.
That was dope.
It lit up the whole place for a second. Look, there's where you disturbed the poor bat.
Oh yeah. Shout out to this guy, Soul Pudding right here, at Soul Pudding. Y'all go
Yeah,
follow
y'all
him.
follow him on Instagram.
I had taken a picture and DM'd him, and he did too. And I took a picture and sent him his and he like replied and said he did this shit 3 years ago from today. Well, not from today, but from the other day. So, shit's pretty fucking crazy. And if y'all look, this place is just falling to shit. There's holes in the ground. Something really cool about, well, not really cool, but there's something about this place is there was actually a stripper who's a story that actually that worked here that had died. She had died in a car accident leaving here after work.
Cause you were drunk.
And people had, why the fuck do they have that damn H for like laundry machines? What's the brand?
No, that's G. It's a G.
What is this?
What am I-
GM.
Why does it smell like firewood?
Oh, look how smoky it is over here.
Yeah.
My fucking. Okay, babe, you suck at tying shoes. I've come to the conclusion.
Look how smoky it is.
There's so much shit floating in the air. Here, take this real quick.
Give me a second.
Baby, I need you in my life, in my life.
Yeah, Madison.
Guys, this place is actually somewhat terrifying. You can actually see all the smoke throughout here. That's why the camera will not focus that well. But this place is actually legitimately terrifying. If I came here alone, I'd be fucking shitting bricks. There's a some writing and shit you can see. It says "ever" over here. Bunch of bullshit on the walls. But there is some satanic shit going down on some of the spray paints that people have been doing. There's a little hole in the ground.
Jump through the hole.
Huh?
Jump through the hole.
For
the video.
Hold the camera.
Okay.
It's very, very clear. We are happy that you are
Showing
here.
the view from outside.
That's what I was going towards. There's a hole in the wall over here, like this big door thing at the top. You can actually look through.
if Mr. Bat's back sleeping in there or if he's dead.
Yeah, guys, I accidentally hit a bat. Alright, there's some holes right there. But there's also this big ass one you can see through, which is right over here.
Yeah, it's good.
That's the parking lot of the place. This place was actually popping for that basement we were talking. They're speaking of. Just in case, I will go watch through that video that I'd seen earlier again, just to double check. But I really don't feel there is a basement here. But like I said, there's other places you can go to if you do like this exploring video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe, like this video, comment if you'd like, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Automatic, I flex out of habit. Diving that pussy and swimming it back. Wish I took, but I'm laughing. They need target practice. I pop out the cut and really let them have it. Came through plotting on you, bitch, real slick. Came through creeping like this. Yeah, dumbass rats got.